Hello there, readers. We're going to read this book together. This book focuses on the IN word family in. The bin. Do you see that IN in the word bin? Yeah. So let's read this together. The bin. I can see a bin. There we go. Pointing to the IN. Can you see a fish fin in the bin? Yes. Can I see a rolling pin in the bin? Yes. Can I see a tin can in the bin? Yes. Can I see a safety pin in the bin? Yes. Can I see a twin in the bin? No. All right. Can you read these words from the IN word family? Let's try this one. In, bin, fin, in. Let's practice tapping this one. K, in, kin, pin, sin, tin, win. Ooh, let's take a look here. This has a digraph in it. Ch, in, chin. Good blending. Let's do this one. G, in, grin. Shin, skin, sp, in, spin. In, thin, in, twin. Great job reading, Bobcats.